Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation about tax literacy for micro, small and medium enterprise or MSMEs. Tax are not only a legal obligation but also an important contribution to national development. Unfortunately, many business owners still have limited knowledge about taxation. Through this presentation, we will explain the basic corporate of taxation, why tax are important, who should pay tax, and how tax contribute to society and business development. So, what is tax? Tax is a mandatory contribution paid by individual or business to the government according to the law. Unlike purchasing goods or service, taxpayers do not receive direct personal benefit after paying tax. Instead, the money collected is used by the government to finance public service, national development, and many programs that improve people's quality of life. This is why taxes are considered one of the country's most important sources of revenue. Why should we pay tax? Many people ask, why do we have to pay tax? The answer is simple. Tax help the government building roads, school, hospital, and other public facility. They also support public safety, infrastructure development, and programs that improve community welfare. In another word, the tax we pay will return to society through better public service and facility that everyone can enjoy. Types of tax. In Indonesia, tax are divided into two main categories. The first category is central tax, which include income tax, value-added tax or VAT, stamp duty, and land and building tax. The second category is regional tax, such as motor vehicle tax, hotel tax, restaurant tax, entertainment tax, and advertisement tax. Each type of tax has its own purpose and helps support both national and regional development. So, who should pay tax? There are three main groups. First, individual taxpayer, who earn income above the non-taxable income threshold. Second, business entities, include companies, foundations, cooperative, and other organizations. Third, taxable entrepreneurs or PKP, who sell taxable goods or services according to government regulation. Every taxpayer has an important role in supporting national development. Now, let's look at the tax cycle. The process begins when a person or business earns income. After that, taxpayers calculate the amount of tax they need to pay. The next step is paying the tax to the government. Then, taxpayers submit their annual tax return or SPT. Finally, the calculated tax revenue is used to fund public service and national development projects. This cycle continues every year to support the country progress. Example of tax benefit. Have you ever wondered where your tax money goes? Tax help finance many public facilities that we use every day. They support school, hospital, highway, police service, fire department, bridges, and many other public infrastructure. Without tax, it would be difficult for the government to provide this essential service. This is why paying tax benefits everyone, not just the government. What happens if we don't pay tax? Fulfilling tax obligation is very important. If taxpayers fail to pay their tax, they may receive administrative sanction, financial penalties, or interest charge. In serious cases, tax violation may even result in criminal sanction according to the law. Therefore, understanding tax regulation and paying tax on time are important responsibilities for every taxpayer. Becoming a responsible taxpayer starts with simple action. Register for a taxpayer identification number or NPP, calculate your tax correctly, pay your tax on time, Submit your tax report before the deadline. By following this step, we can support national development while building a more organized and trustworthy business. Indonesian tax system is regulated by several important laws. These include the Law on General Provision and Tax Procedure, the Income Tax Law, the Value-Added Tax Law, and other government regulation issued by the Ministry of Finance. These regulations provide legal guidance for taxpayers and ensure that the tax system operates fairly and transparently. In conclusion, taxes are one of the main sources of government revenue and play an essential role in supporting national development. Through tax, the government can build infrastructure, improve public service, and promote the welfare of society. As responsible citizens and future business owners, we should understand our tax obligation and contribute to the country's development. Thank you for your attention. We hope this presentation has increased your understanding of the importance of tax literacy for MSMEs. Have a great day and thank you.